Hello, everyone. My name is Sebastian Camacho Giraldo. Eh, I am from Kurumani, Cesar, a student UNAT, SEA Kurumani. Eh, Hello, everyone. Eh, Next, I will tell you a little about my Scrapbook. My short are helping my mother and young why eh, I had free time. Sure, clean house, freshest air I had with the house. Eh, when a man cook the season it the is different. I like to cook and prepare recipes. Eh, the sun the sun is happy when I was because it will shine more. I held the laundry. The my the May the May the May birds reflect the tranquility of the soul. I help feed the banks in the room. After having finished everything with the take out the garbage, garbage, garbage outside clean house. Okay, uh, complete complete with the payment of service I help by the resident. Is 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 I like that mandaste why did the hate made tipo withdrawal withdrawals withdrawal. Mm, Credit for our head keys at hell. Go to the doctor. Content marketing is something I like a lot. Go to the neighborhood store, neighborhood store. Fixing my clothes to my body is something I like to go the tailor. Thank you very much.